What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix the USB troubles that you might be having in your 07 to 13 GM vehicles. Today I'm working on a 2013 GMC Denali. It's got the Duramax motor, really nice truck, everything like that. So what you might be having troubles with is actually the USB port that's located down in the center console. That connection in there can become loose and it'll give you intermittent connection to your phone. It'll give you like weird humming or buzzing sounds in the audio. And it just makes for a really unpleasant experience. So what I'll go through today is show you my fix for it. I ended up getting a new USB port. It's a USB extension that kind of has a housing on the end of it that you can mount. And so I took the old one out, I ran the new one in, and I'll show you how to get into all that, where the connections are and everything like that. Alright guys, so the first thing that we want to do is get access into the areas to run our wire and check all the connections and everything like that. So the first place we want to start is actually in the cup holder area. I'll show you here. I've already gone ahead and popped it out of its spot, but the way that you would remove this is you can get your hand down in the cup holder, lift up at the back, and then pull out forward or backwards, and that will release these front pins here. And you can see that on the back you just have the clips there. So set that aside. Looking down in here, you can see all of your connections. I'll give you some light here. You can see our USB connections over there. That's going to be this guy right here at the bottom, and then you can see the USB plug down there in the bottom as well. It's got that silver tab on it. I've already gone ahead and disconnected it. I've already gone ahead and actually done the fix for this, but I figured I'd show you guys how everything works. So the next place that you want to go ahead and pull apart is going to be our rear cigarette lighter and cup holder area here. Again, just put your hand in here. You're going to pull it out to release the clips on it. Just like that. And then you can see on the back side of it, that's where your cigarette lighter is. And then looking inside of here, you can see down here in the corner, that's where the cigarette lighter and the USB plug is, and that's where we're going to be working. You can see I've already gone ahead and done this. Again, I've got the USB port ran, and I'll put a link in the description to the one I got. It's on Amazon, it's $10, and what it is it's just a USB extension that also has the mounting plate as well. So what you would want to do if you were starting from the beginning with this is you would have that rectangular USB plug here. You can come in from the back side and just push it out this way. You'll also see that on the wiring harness, I've already gone ahead and I cut it, but it's in this wiring harness here that's on the back side of it, and it just stubs off right there. So I just went ahead and I cut that out. And what you do as well is on the front here, this is where you disconnect the original USB port, so don't worry about any of the wire shorting or anything like that because it's no longer connected. So once you have it all free and clear from there, you can put your new adapter in here. And then what I did is I took the wire and I ran it down. You can see it. Oh, let me get the camera right there. You can see it coming out of there, and then I ran it down into the bottom, and I ran it through the center section, and I brought it back and I fished it up through the bottom there, and then went ahead and connected it into the original USB plug over there. So once you go ahead and do that, you've got a brand new connection going into the head unit, and it clears up all the issues that I had with it, which originally it started out as static in the sound, and then it would go to intermittent connections where it would just drop the connection to your phone or smartphone or whatever device you're using, and it just made for a really unpleasant experience. So after going to this, I've got crystal clear sound, and I'll show you a test real quick. Alright guys, so here I've gone ahead and hooked up my phone. You can see my phone here, and then I've got that going into the USB plug, which is the standard lightning connector, and you can also see that it's appearing here on the head unit. So go ahead. There, we can hear it again. Got full volume for it. And I've also got full steering wheel control as well. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this guy helps you out with fixing that USB plug and maybe giving you some options. Or if you're just seeing what's down inside these things in the center console area, there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a comment down below if you want more truck videos and repair videos, or you like the outdoor videos. I kind of do it all. They're all my hobbies and passions. So let me know what you think, and like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.